Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you read by the title, we're going to be making slime on the floor. I already cleaned the floor.
That's the mom was the one posting pictures and stuff like that. That's not probably
Like this video, like, comment, and subscribe so that I know to post more, even though I'm gonna post more anyways. But if you like this video, that benefits you because more of my content will pop up for you. So if you liked it, just remember to hit that subscribe button. Have a skibidi day. Bye.
oh my god.